How to recover Spotify account with phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or recover your account, your Spotify account basically, with phone number. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now here I'm just installing the application. You'll have to do it through the application. Now I'll show it on the web browser here, the process, but you won't get that option on the web browser. I'll just open a Chrome browser since the login page will turn out blank on the application itself. Now on your login page on Spotify application on your phone, you wanna hit the login option, and there you wanna simply click phone number option. There you'll get the phone number option on your application, however not on the browser here, as you can see. So you wanna tap on and login with phone number option, enter in your phone number. Now if you are on your web browser, you can continue with Google or Facebook as well if you have linked your account with it, which you certainly must have. So this is the way that you can recover Spotify account with phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.